Hey y'all, welcome back to Jamilia and Perla's channel. So today I have a banger for you guys. I am going to be pranking your girl Jamilia. Shh, she can't know. I feel like she's listening. So she is gonna be washing her hair today, and I am gonna take the blow dryer, put some baby powder in there. Let me show you guys. Gonna be putting this in the blow dryer, and I'm gonna say that I'm gonna blow dry her hair, and there's gonna be baby powder everywhere. So are you guys ready for this prank? Because I'm ready. Comment down below what you think her reaction is gonna be. She's gonna flip. She's downstairs playing with her cousins on the phone, but she's gonna be washing her hair soon, and we are gonna get your girl Jamilia. All right, so I'll be back. So guys, she's taking a shower right now. She is currently in the shower. Whoop. So I got the blow dryer and the baby powder. So let me just give me a second, y'all. So So I put it in. It kind of comes out through the back a little bit, but hopefully not that much. So you see, guys. So as soon as she gets out, you know we are gonna prank your girl. Comment down below again what you think her reaction is gonna be, because I think she's gonna flip. Because if y'all know Jamilia, she will flip. Anyways, and if you are new to our channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get to this prank. All right, y'all, she's coming out the bathroom. Shh. Jamilia, you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know if I'm doing you hard, okay?
Is this place?
What? I think I took you there one time, remember? Well, you didn't like anything.
Yeah, but what is that place? Is EXP
Learning Express.
S. No, but this one's a different one. Look. You don't take me to different ones, see?
Oh. Because we only found that one place, remember?
Yeah. See, they have cooler stuff.
Send a chicken all the way with me. All the way with me. Your hair is getting long already. Yeah, we just cut your hair like the other day.
There's a little girl that she has her hair up to cut to here. And she doesn't have to tie her hair in the class.
And you want to cut it that short?
Yeah.
Riding dirty.
You heard?
Yeah.
There's some kids that they just keep their hair down.
Maybe will go and cut your hair one of these days. Who knows?
I wish I can cut it in the weekend that's coming.
Tonight you're gonna all the way with me.
Can we do it in the weekend? Huh?
Maybe, girl. What you think?
Yes. I'm gonna do it this weekend. Cause I love my hair cut up to here. Like, it's better.
All right. So just stay like that. I'm gonna. Blow dry your hair, okay?
What?
I'm gonna blow dry your hair.
Oh. You said we will dye your hair.
Hold on. I'm gonna put this towel on you.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
You guys see that? I'm sorry. It's a prank. Oh my god. I had to do it like 3 times. She wasn't even noticing.
Yeah, but I smelled it.
Oh my god, guys. That was hilarious. You didn't notice the first time?
No.
You only noticed the 3rd time?
Yeah.
She was like, what the fuck? Guys, that kind of failed, but I tried my best. So if y'all like this short video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below what other banger I should do on your girl. What other prank?
Yeah, what other prank I'm gonna do on my mom?
What you gonna do a prank on me? I can't wait to see what that prank is gonna be. But yeah, this video kind of failed a little bit, but I tried pranking your girl Jami in the house. But yeah, guys, if you are new to our channel, if you want to see more of us, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You already know. And we will see you guys.
And like my girl Anaya.
Random. No. Anyways, peace, guys. Mwah.